Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make beef suya burger. So let's get started. So for this recipe, you'll need thinly sliced beef. You can actually get your local butchers to cut them into thin slices for you. Okay, so here I've got some curry and chicken bouillon spice, and that's just a mixture of curry powder and chicken bouillon. And here I've got some suya spice, and that you may get from some Afro-Caribbean stores around you. I'm going right ahead to season the beef on both sides. I'm using the curry and chicken bouillon, and later I'm just going to sprinkle some of the suya spice onto it and dab that onto the beef, and then I'm going to transfer that onto a grill, which will later be going into the oven. So once the beef suya has been laid on the grill, cover with a foil paper and then grill it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So I'm preparing the vegetables. That's the tomatoes, the onions, as well as the cucumber. I'm cutting those into thick slices. I'll later be using butter to saute the vegetables, which I'll be using in the burger later on. For the burger, I'm using brioche buns. I'm going to go ahead and toast this with some butter. So here I'm going ahead to saute the vegetables. I'm going to saute them for 2 minutes on either side until they are golden brown. But whilst I'm doing that, I'm going to flip the vegetables over until they get golden in color. Then I'll be taking them off the heat. So for this burger, I have decided to make my own sauce, and I'll be using some sweet chili sauce and Suya spice. And all I've just done is to mix the chili sauce and the Suya spice together, and that has given me the ideal sauce for my beef Suya burger. So guys, I can tell you for free, this beef Suya burger tasted super delicious. And also, if you have watched this video this far, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and giving me that thumbs up. Thank you.